Today we're going to discuss rust treatment and prevention with a product that blows away all the competition. It's Rust Encapsulator Platinum. In fact, it's so easy to apply and protect your paint, all you need is a paintbrush. Wipe it across the rusted area and you're protected for years to come. To get more information, simply click or tap the button in the top corner at any time during this video. Now, let's show you why it's the best coating, explain how it works so great, and even check out some durability tests. Whether you're painting a truck frame, rusty car panels, Bilko doors, lawn furniture, a mower deck, heavier equipment, or even a salt spreader that's covered in salt months out of the year, this is the product for you. If it's durable enough for frames and a salt spreader, imagine how long it will last on your car or stuff around your house. And if you're thinking that you don't need something this strong, you're wrong. Those cheaper coatings you get from the hardware store aren't even close to being as durable as Platinum. And that means you'll be repainting that lawn furniture or your car frame every year or two because the paint is going to flake off. And after a long winter and the weather's finally getting nice, is that how you want to spend your time every year? If you think all coatings are the same, let me quickly explain why they're not. For rust to form and spread, it needs air and moisture. Rust coatings are designed to seal the area so the elements can't penetrate, but they're not all designed the same. Those lesser coatings from hardware stores aren't as durable, and soon air and moisture penetrates them, the paint flakes off, exposing the metal to the elements, and the rust is spreading worse than ever. And that's why you'll end up wasting time and money almost every year repainting everything you just painted. Platinum is so durable it won't allow that to happen. We've dumped all types of harsh chemicals on it, like brake fluid, antifreeze, oil, and transmission fluid. We even lit it on fire. And if it survives those harsh chemicals without delaminating and allowing the elements to penetrate, you know it will work on your car frame, equipment, or anything around the house. One of the biggest ways for the paint to fail is because it gets scratched, exposing a tiny area to air and moisture. Platinum beats all the competition in the salt spray chamber scratch test. That's a standard industry test where rusty panels are coated, scratched, and exposed to very long periods of salt spray to imitate harsh conditions. But Platinum adheres so well to the metal and rust that even when it's scratched, the only area that's affected is that tiny scratched area. Other rust treatment products that don't adhere as well will allow the elements to get under the paint at that scratch, and they'll begin to lift and soon are peeling off, exposing the entire area to the elements. And then you have a bad rust problem again. A lot of the competition doesn't even need a tiny scratch to fail because they aren't good enough to adhere to the rust and simply peel off. What else separates Platinum from the competition? It can be applied over rust or bare metal, where many products only adhere well when applied directly over the rust. In fact, it adheres to bare metal as good as many primers, which is great for areas that are a mix of rust and clean bare metal. It also offers UV protection, which means it doesn't have to be top coated. Rust Encapsulator Platinum is also heat resistant to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and the Tenacious bond permanently fuses it to bare or corroded steel. For great results, simply brush on rusted areas like this rocker panel where rust is often trapped behind the running board or trim. Soon you've saved the panel from rusting through and becoming large holes. Same for lawn furniture. Simply roll or brush it on and you're protected. You can then top coat it with a nice coating for the look you want, as well as added protection. For heavily rusted parts, hit the area with a wire brush and cover with Platinum. Now you won't have to worry about that mower deck or those Bilko doors for many years. And they look great and save you time and money because you don't have to pay to replace them or pay someone else to repair them. It seems like car and truck frames are rusting faster than ever. And that really costs you money when you have to pay to have them repaired or buy a new vehicle because the frame or cross members have been destroyed by rust. Simply apply Platinum and you've greatly extended the life of your car or truck and saved a lot of money. If it's a restoration, Platinum is great for areas that you're not going to blast, especially pitted spots. When you sand an area, the sanding disc won't remove the rust from the pits and eventually it will push back through your bodywork and paint and look terrible. But if you apply Rust Encapsulator Platinum, it will seal in those areas and prevent the rust from pushing back through. Simply apply and then sand the area, leaving the Rust Encapsulator Platinum in the pits and keeping your car looking great for years to come. If you're also looking to protect the inside of a frame or even rocker panels, A and B pillars, or anywhere you can't get with a brush, roller, or paint gun, you should check out internal frame coating, which adds even more protection. I hope this showed how easy it is to stop rust, and remember, Rust Encapsulator Platinum is great not only for frames, but anything that's exposed to the elements, including lawn furniture, Bilco doors, mower decks, or even heavy equipment. If it rusts, you need to protect it with Rust Encapsulator Platinum because when it lasts longer, not only does it look great, it saves you money. For more information on Platinum and all rust prevention and treatment products available at Eastwood, click or tap the button in the top corner or follow the link that appears on screen.